Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I'm Nasha. I want to present my portfolio 2026. Okay, the first step I want to introduce myself. My name is Nasha Latifa and I'm a software engineer student with deep fascination for mobile development. I thrive on challenge transforming complex problems into intuitive, high-performance mobile application. It's what drives me. As someone who is always hungry for new knowledge, I love exploring emerging technologies and pushing my creative boundaries to build apps that don't just work but also inspire. So here I'm still 11th grade, and right now my majoring is software engineer. And usually I ever learn about website and mobile, but I'm more interested with mobile application. But in my OGCOM, I the client is request make some website, but it's not application. And I can learn back end with that. And you can reach out me at my email, LinkedIn, telephone, my number, Instagram, and GitHub. And I live at Pekanbaru in Sumatra. Okay, my education is 2024 until right now I still in SMK boarding school. It's majoring software engineer, and I ever organizing head of public relation in my junior high school. It's MTS West Hampari. And my language, I can two language. It's Indonesia and English. But in English, I still learn intermediate. And my experience, teaching at SMA Perguruan Rakyat 1 about HTML basic, and I ever teach about Scratch in SMA Perguruan Rakyat 1, and I teach mentor too about basic Figma. It's about we just teaching about it how to make landing page with using Figma in SMAN 45 Jakarta. And I ever teaching about Adobe Premiere Pro. It's about we editing but using Adobe in SMA 45 Jakarta. And I ever teaching in SMP Al Ikhlas in Tangerang. It's about HTML basic, and SMK Al Ikhlas Tangerang it's HTML basic. My skill is I can HTML, CSS, Flutter, Dart, Tailwind, Figma, UI UX design. It's a little, and graphic design, Python it's little too, and the last is PHP. I guess it's PHP. It's hard to me because actually I don't like back end, but in OGCOM my job is back end, and I can learn again what is how to using PHP. Like how we work at the different job, but we must compare the code. Like it's one file, and this is the software. The software is Flutter, Visual Studio Code, Figma, GitHub, and Firebase. Okay, the table of content. I will explain about my a project, web project, experience, certificates, certificates, achievement, and testimonial. Okay, the first is app project. This is a fruit app. It's about application inspired by Sigmund Freud pioneering work. The fruit app offers smart mental health features that lowers emotional well-being, from therapy AI chatbot to mood tracker. You can chat with AI about your mental health. This is like if you enter the application, and the application asks you about how your mood today or how your daily activity today, and something about mental health. And the feature is mental health assessment, therapy AI chatbot, smart mood tracker, mindful self journal, stress monitor. And the fourth AI is I make with my team final project. The member is Kuan, me, Lala, Wani, and Misnu. Okay, this is the detail from fourth AI. If you enter the application, this is the dashboard. You can this is your mood, score your mood today, and the application asks you how old you rate your stress level, and after that how you're feeling this day, and you can sorry, and you can explain how you're today, it's good or no, it's bad or no, like that. Okay, the next is NewFeed. NewFeed is a news application built with Flutter and Dart, using an API to display the latest news from various sources. The app allows users to search for and read news based on their preferred categories or topics. The two facilitate collaboration and code management. It's NewFeed. It's about news, but it's all country. And this is the first project I use Firebase, because we use API, and I guess is if you use API, we must learn again, because it's if there is someone hack our application and the API is voucher, and there can take our application all of the code like that, and because of that we must safety our API. And the filter is dynamic content delivery, user engagement features, categorized news navigation, and clean UI UX design. And this is the personal project, not team project. Okay, this is the detail from newsfeed. When you open the application, there is it's like animation from the picture, and if you click here, you can direct to this page, and you can choose the genre you want to business or politics, something like that, and if you can click text, and you direct to it's like dashboard, and you can read the news here, and you can search the news. Okay, and there is Cafe Post IDN. It's a modern, streamlined point of sale application designed specifically for food and beverage establishment. It serves as an all-in-one solution for cashier to manage your order and process payment especially. This is a application for cafe. And we using QR scanner, and usually there is, if we buy something here, and then the cashier will choose what you want to buy, and you can payment with QR with QRIS. And the feature is integrated barcode and QR scanner, real-time order management, digital payment integration, and product inventory tracking. Okay, this is the digital project. When you open the application, this is the animation just for a while, and after that direct to this page. If you click its mode cashier, you can direct go to here. Sorry if the if the image is blurred, because it's because it's screenshotan, and I copy again. It's because of that it's blurred. Okay. And next is my experience. The first experience is teaching, mentor of SMA PGR 1 in Jakarta. I teach about HTML basics with Panda and with Ayesha. This is actually it's not HTML basic, but we teaching about flowchart before we learn about HTML or about programming. And then this volunteer when IBS, we go to Panti Mizan Amanah in Jakarta, and we just give like sembako for there, and we not play with there, because when that day we go to the Panti Amizan, we not have enough time, and after we go to Panti Mizan, we go to PT Getsmart, because we have a job like freelance. It's a remake website from it's not bad, but it's like what's it? Not lawas, but the design it's not continue like that. And we remake the website more good, and Miss can search in Google, because there is the link. And this is this is first time I have freelance and we get money. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if there is any mistake. Thank you for listening to my speech today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.